What's up, guys? This your boy No Chill Chad checking in, and I'm coming with you with another short video update on my 2002 Camaro SSF body. Stay tuned. All right, so I know a lot of you guys have seen my updates, seen my videos on Facebook, Instagram, and you saw my surprise reaction when I finally just seen my car for the first time in a couple weeks. And everybody's been asking me, you know, what's done to the car? What did I just get the car out the shop for? What's all been done? So I decided to just do a little walk around and an update of just everything that I've done to the car so far. The first place I started with modding this vehicle was I needed to add some headers on this thing. So I did the Texas speed headers. We put new coil packs on it. We did new spark plug wires, MSD spark plug wires, just to give it some rumble. We put a tune on it. The next thing I did was went all the way down, did the Corsa catback exhaust. That's another mod. I took the OEM tail lights. I got those professionally smoked from a body shop. So the OEM lights, we just got them smoked, some clear, add a little black, lightly tint them so they still shine through perfectly. But, you know, it just gives it a darker smoked look. I also put in a brand new third brake light here, because the other one was cracked. It was like flickering because of the LEDs. So I got a new third brake light here. Of course, you know, I got the wheels and tires. Everybody thinks they're welds. Well, I'm here to tell you they are not welds. They look like welds, but these are some cheap knockoffs. They just look good. So these wheels are the Cosmis XT005R wheels. 18x9 with a 25 millimeter offset on the front, 18x10 with a 20 millimeter offset for the rear. It isn't the best fitment. I'm gonna be honest with you. It isn't the best fitment, but for right now, it looks good, rides cool. I did roll my rear quarter panels because the tires do rub slightly. So I went ahead and rubbed those panels to help with that. I also bought some clear side markers for the front, and I got those professionally smoked as well. I upgraded the fog lights to the Morimoto fog lights. Those shine bright. I did upgrade the driving headlight bulb to LED bulbs. I recently just got the car back, and what I did was I went with the BTR Stage 3 cam. Of course, we upgraded the timing chain. You know, you got to do the whole cam kit. You got to do the full entire cam kit. So I went with BTR Brian Tooley NA-LS1 Stage 3 camshaft. I also combined it with a Circle D stall converter, 3200 to 3400. One of their top of the line stall converters for this car. It's good for everyday driving. Nothing too crazy, nothing too heavy. We did find an issue with the oil pan, so I put a brand new GM oil pan on there. While we were in the car, we decided to upgrade the motor mounts and the trans mounts. We did the solid for the motor mounts, and we did the poly for the trans mount. Just want to make everything solid. And definitely while we're in there, you want to knock out everything you can while you're in the motor. In the transmission, we did the rear main seal, rear main gasket. We also did the bump stops in the rear. The bump stops were like completely disintegrated, and that just stops the car from bottoming out. when you're hitting bumps and things of the sort. So we put brand new poly bump stops in the rear. I want to say that's probably all for right now. Oh, of course I had did my suspension. So we did lower it on the BMR springs, 1.25 inch. I did put new sway bar links. I did do the Coney shocks on the rear, but I just did some shocks from the front from like Advanced Auto Parts, because of course some of those bolts were breaking, and I just wanted to just change all that out while we were in there. And on the rear, there are some LED side markers I purchased on Amazon. I think they were $25. So they're already smoked black, but then when you cut them on, they have a little LED strip in it. And that's pretty much it right now. I mean, the car is sound, drives great. I don't have any issues, man. Right now, we're just cruising. Of course, the interior, pretty stock interior, Pro Clip USA phone holder. Everything's pretty much stock, man. Pretty clean interior for a 20-year-old car. A couple other items. I am going to get the interior done. I'm going to do a custom interior. Got to do that. I'm going to get my calipers upgraded. I'm going to go to either a 4-piston or 6-piston caliper setup. And then, of course, we're going to get them powder coated. Haven't decided on what color I want to do yet. Definitely got to get a new transmission once I add some more power. Probably going to do a 4L80. On the rear, definitely got to get probably like a Moser rear end setup, 9-inch, get it shortened so I can tuck that wheel in up under there. Definitely want to go with a Welds setup or CCW or even a Billet Specialties. Engine wise, you know I got to add some boost. So I'm still on the fence. Turbo, centrifugal blower. I don't know if I want to do a PD blower on this setup. I definitely want to get everything on the engine like really just beautiful. I really want to get it all detailed. Definitely have to do the heads. Definitely want to do the intake manifold. Definitely want to go with a bigger cold air intake. I want to do the valve covers. Just setting it up real nice. I want to be able to pop the hood and just, you know, amaze people. Like, oh, you know, that whole effect. So, you know, you can see what's going on. It's definitely a clean car. I mean, I thought buying this car was going to be cheap. I'm not going to lie. I thought it was going to be cheap. I thought it was going to be like, you know, maybe like buying an old school and these parts was going to be a dime a dozen and everything was going to be like shopping at the 99-cent store. If that's what you're thinking, you are wrong. Because one, you're going to have to go behind this and you're going to have to upgrade everything that you touch. That's one. Two, because everything is limited, everything is selling for, you know, brand new prices, if anything. And then a lot of stuff has markup. Three, a lot of stuff you may be looking for that you hope you wanted or hope that you could get, you no longer can get. So now you're just hoping to see what's out there and what's available. And then you're just hoping for things to just finally go on sale eventually. But overall, I'm completely happy. I'm definitely completely happy. It's coming along. I knew it was going to be a process, but I hope you guys are enjoying the journey. Tell me what you think I should do next. Tell me what you'd like to see. Make sure you just like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend, man. If you know somebody with an F-body or thinking about getting an F-body, tell them to hit me up. Follow my channel. Make sure you check out my website, nochillchat.com. Check out some of my merch, man. I got some nice t-shirts, super soft, super lightweight, man, good quality. I got some dope stuff on there. But like I said, man, hit me up, check me out. This your boy No Chill Chad checking out. I'm gonna catch you on the next video, man. See ya.